I'm Greg Kraus from SEK Sherborne. We're here today with Joe from Landscape Architecture and Phil from Unilock. We've got a great project going on using our new Easy Set Trass Permeable Bedding System. It offers a lot of rigidity for your projects, a lot of options. Why did you want to use this on this project, Joe?
Well, one of the trends that we have in the industry right now is large format pavers. And it's just a really neat product because they're large and have a little different look than some of the smaller pavers. The problem has been we haven't been able to use them on driveways. So with the new Easy Set product, it allows us to use a large format on the driveway.
As Joe said, the large format pavers are trending. They're way more efficient than your typical smaller pavers when it comes to the labor side. So this system that we're using will allow us to actually use a large format XL paver in a driveway application.
Well, let's get started.